By just applying these ingredients, your hair will grow like crazy. Everyone thought it carried extensions. This is a testimony of a friend of mine. You will see. Most are in the constant quest to show off an abundant and shiny hair, as this improves the appearance and gives a better aesthetic image. But a large percentage of people have to fight against hair loss, which is one of the most common and difficult to treat hair problems. It is normal to lose 50 to 100 hairs every day as a normal part of the body's renewal process. However, sometimes the loss can be so remarkable that we begin to see the terrifying entries. Avoid hair loss with this natural trick, a recipe for resuscitating hair, an elixir for hair that works and will do so for virtually no money. Forget about buying supposed miracle products in pharmacies, products that are always expensive, extremely expensive, and that barely work. Here, less money and exactly with the same efficiency, you will achieve greater hair growth. Take note of how to make this home hair remedy. Ingredients: 1. A banana. 2. An egg. You will only need the egg yolk. 3. A spoonful of organic natural honey of quality, not any of the supermarket, still less the cheapest and the most sugary chemically. 4. Half glass of dark beer, black beer, typical of Ireland, but available in any country supermarket. Instructions: 1. Add all the ingredients inside the blender jar. It will be precise to make the paste, although as always the classic mortar and hand option is also viable. 2. Turn on the electric and let it beat well for at least 40 seconds until a texture of creaminess with a certain consistency. 3. When you place it on the hair, or bald, or on the area where you want your hair to grow, entrances, immediately spread the cream. You must cover the area with a transparent film, to ensure that the heat is compacted in the area, and penetrate the dermis well. After 1 to 2 hours you can clean yourself. 4. It is recommended that you do this at least once a week, and let the 2 hours minimum set time is reached to achieve the maximum effect of this miraculous resuscitating natural hair.